Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about my experience with the Sainlogic Weather station after 2 years. I think I installed it in October 2020, now is September 2022, so almost 2 years. And for the first time I have to replace the batteries. Battery lasted 2 years because we have also solar support, as you can see. And in general I can tell you this thing looks really good. I mean, the last weather station which I had was the Accurate something, and I was definitely not happy with the Accurate because I mean it's a super fancy one, but the thing started to break up and not working anymore after only about 1 year. Also the wind speed meter, I can't really pronounce the real name, anemometer, something like that. Yeah, I think it's wrong, but anyway, this thing started to really squeaking, something didn't move properly, and as you can see, no matter how I hold it, it's a little bit difficult. I would have to I think I turned this camera around a little bit so you can see that in an upright position, so you can see it definitely spins freely, absolutely no friction. Also what we see here is the rain meter, rain gauge. There is nothing inside, even though there's a tree close to here and definitely dropping some, or a lot of leaves, which you can see all the way around here. And it looks like it's not stuck. At least I had still some decent values. I mean, I can show you that. I put a little bit of water here inside. I hope you can see that. And you can see it's still freely flowing here, not stuck, not clogged here. And I always had huge problems with the one from Accurate. It was always stuck. So much better here, and especially this solar panel here looks in very, very good condition, almost like day one. I mean, of course, here you can see a little bit of discoloration, a little bit of yellowish, of course, but other than that everything looks good. Also this glass here, everything in good condition. Also the thing for the wind direction freely floating. Also the battery compartment down here, basically everything looks like in very good condition. Of course there are some spiders here inside, and that's the reason why I'm using gloves and I'm not taking this thing here inside. Maybe I'll even spray a little bit of bug spray here. I mean, we are living in Florida, could be dangerous spiders. There are definitely some here inside. I don't want to mess with them. And also here inside, be really careful. There could be some nasty spiders here inside, but definitely has nothing to do with this device itself. So I'm going to replace now the batteries and put it up on the roof and keep going, hopefully for many years to come. Yeah, so far definitely best thing which I've ever seen after 2 years. Best condition, even in very rough weather, like we have Florida, extreme sun, extreme humidity, a lot of storms. I mean, it has even survived hurricane category 1. It was not a huge thing, but still it was cat 1, and also the values have been pretty good. Of course, I mean, here's a little bit of protection regarding the temperature when it comes to direct sunlight, but still when it's in direct sun, it's of course still showing a little bit inflated value. So I still highly recommend to put it in a rather shady place. But the difference is still much better than with the Accurate. With the Accurate, the temperature has been inflated much more, even when I had the version with the solar thing and the fan. It didn't help a lot. So with this one here, I think it was more accurate than with the Accurate. So from my side, with everything what I can see, full recommendation so far. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.